Thank you for tuning into the channel. No site, no problem. In today's video, we are featuring a 2016 EZGO RXV. It came in for a couple of accessories and some mechanic issues. Going to break this down into 3 different videos. First one you're going to see is this has a short top on it. We're going to put an extended top, 88 inches I believe it is, and a rear view mirror. So if you want to go ahead and show them that cart, that'd be awesome. So we're going to use a 15mm socket and wrench and start by removing the canopy top. All of the bolts for the front and rear and the candy canes are all the same size. Makes life easy. There's one. Number 2. And let's go to the back. So there's 2 bolts that go across the front. In the back there are 4 bolts, 2 per side, and again 15mm bolts and 15mm nuts. Alright, now we'll go to the other side. It's early, so I haven't had enough coffee yet, so we'll be alright. My lovely assistant Pam is a slave driver. That's bolt number 3. Oops. Let's try that one more time. Now it's bolt number 4. And we're going to retain all of the hardware I'm removing. It will be reused on the new top. Alright, let me get this top off here. Take this outside. I want to show them what that short roof looks like. Now, we're going to remove what is called the rear candy canes. You can see it has 2 of them, 1 per side. And that's what holds up the rear of the roof. This cart's been freshly painted, so you want to be very careful to not drop the bolts on the new paint. I don't think a customer would be too happy of that. Two bolts per candy cane. We're on the second one now. Okay. There's one candy cane there. passenger side already. I always get yelled at for putting bolts in my pocket, but this way I know where they are because we don't have a whole lot of them on this one. So it makes life okay. Okay. I always tell everybody when you're working on golf carts, it's really important to something I do. I do not put tools and parts on seats. And for my visually impaired subscribers, this golf cart is blue. Okay, so as you can see, we have the top setting in place right now. This is the long top the customer has requested. And like I said, it's just sitting in place. The back half's sitting on the broom, and I have to start drilling some holes. And we're gonna start with the front, and I have to drill a hole through the roof on each side of the windshield support to get the bolts in. So let's start with that. So we'll come up here. It's a plastic roof, so it should drill nice and easy. In theory, of course. Just like that. There we go. Just like that. Okay, let's put these bolts in this bad boy.
It's a bad boy? I thought it was a golf cart.
Oh, it's true. There we go. There's that one. The end. And yes, for you sighted folks, I understand these are stainless, but I ran out of black hardware, so this is the way it is for right now.
Well, the washers and nuts are stainless. The bolts are black.
It's an El Camino. Let's see. That bolt wants to start for me instead of giving me grief. All right. Okay. There we go. That one. Got a nice storm coming in. It's pretty awesome. You can hear it thundering and starting to rain a little bit. Perfect. And the front is secured. We'll put the bolts in these rear struts here. This thing took some modifications. These rear struts that we're putting in, the suppliers were out of them, so we had to have Boone Powder Coating and Welding make them for us. And this was very much a team effort. We have Bill here with us if he wants to say hello. He's one I'm walking through.
He just waved.
He's so quiet. But he had a hand in it, and like I said, Boone Powder Coating and Welding had a hand in it, and Pam and I. And like I said, it was a team effort to get this job done, but it turned out well. Otherwise, this poor customer would have been waiting probably 2 months to get this top completed. And I thought that was unacceptable. So here we always find a way to get it done. Much like yesterday, it's hot as balls.
It's not as hot today though.
I don't know, it's still
That
hot.
rain's cooled it off a little bit.
Look here, Heidi.
As it continues to rain. On and off.
Okay. Yeah, I'm really proud of those rear supports. They look pretty sweet, even to a blind guy. All right, let's put on the rear seat back.
It's
Hey, Bill, will you be a gentleman and hold that side up over there for me, sir? Want to get a bolt started? Why, thank you. You're on it. As if it's not starting for some. Will it started? I think so. But I'm happy with it. Turned out quite well. That's all that matters at the end of the day. The last of the seat bolts in this big joker is done. Sorry, I forgot to have the camera on when I was doing the last of the rear bolts for the bolts for the rear of the roof, but Pam can do a walk around. It's been really crazy busy here today, so I apologize. But anyways, thanks for tuning in to NSNPTV. And your continued support. Remember, hit that notification bell so you can be notified for all of our latest content. And go ahead and show them around at this cart. Now we're gonna go deliver this puppy.
He'll be happy to have it back.
Yes, he will.